Hello, my name is Rema and my presentation today would be about Pablo Picasso. Pablo Picasso was a Spanish painter, sculptor, printmaker, ceramist, stage designer, poet, and playwright. He was most dominant and influential artist of the first half of the 20th century. Picasso's immersion in Cubism also eventually led him to the invention of collage, in which he abandoned the idea of the picture as a window on objects in the world. His work was usually characterized by a single dominant approach. He often moved interchangeably between different styles. Here on the left side, we have Head of a Woman art piece. Picasso's experiments in making flat sculptures were followed up in the early 1960s with a series of works on entirely new medium and technique. At first, Picasso produced small models using folded paper and cardboard, this recalling use of these materials in his early Cubist sculptures. To make the models sturdier, however, Picasso introduced sheet metal. He then pointed the surface of the metal as if it was a canvas. The producing of painting and sculpture in this example, Picasso has treated line and color as independent. Black lines define the features of the sitter, outlining the hair, eyes, nose, mouth, and the shape of the neck and shoulders. However, these lines fail to contain the non-naturalistic colors that have been randomly applied to the model of the face. Picasso adds drawing to his conflation of painting and sculpture. The bold red line running down the center of the face also makes a reference to the famous portrait. Going on to the last slide, we have some of his Cubism work. First one represents music. We have animals that really are not clear, but we can see this one is playing the guitar. This is holding a music of book. Second one is a half moon of a woman, and the eyes are looking at each other, and with funky colors, bright colors. And the last one, we see a woman. She can be crying and frightened in some way, with bold colors of yellow, red, and blue.